So, updates muna, updates. We got that light. Tapos meron na rin tayo. So, meron na tayo, Beng, I will not be unstoppable. Ang kulang na lang, Beng, my own room. Manifest natin yan. Ang topic ng video na ito is my Spotify Wrapped. Yeah, okay. Anyway. Ew, sorry. Oh my God. Nakikita niyo ba yun? I'm excited to see kung ano na Spotify Wrapped ko. I'm guessing like Remy Wolf is in my top artists for this year. Remy Wolf and Still Woozy. Yan ang dalawa ko. They're like this. Gets ba? Yung vibes na lalaki, Still Woozy. Yung vibes na same na vibes na ganun na babae, Remy Wolf. Okay. I think it's Remy Wolf talaga ang ano ko. Ready ka ba? 5, 6, 7, go. Oh. Oh! And Pink pa! No! Whoa. We need to stop right there. Naalala ko, I've become a Pink Panthers fan this year. Wait, okay. Wait, paano ko to? Is screen record ko ba? While what if ilagay ko na lang, ipakita ko na lang sa inyo, no? Okay, let's, excited ka ba? Kasi I know I listened to a lot of songs this year. And ewan ko kung anong year na ba, pang ilang year ko na ba tong Spotify subscription ko ba. So, paano ba ako una sa Spotify? I just wanna say, ay kay Kuya Yingwe, Kuya Joshua Yingwe ng Dancehall Manila and Legit Status. Kuya Yingwe ang nagsabi sa akin na parang, "Ayan mag-Spotify ka kaya." Ayan, yung during that time rin ata December ata yun, like ber months, something like gano'n. Yung merong yung may promo even right now, yung parang 3 months for 75 pesos tapos student pa. Ewan ko kung promo ata yung nakuha ko. Pero naka-student account ako noon tapos biglang ngayon nawala na. So, 150 na binabayaran ko monthly. Pero I just want to say, this is not spawn. Okay? There's also discourse about Spotify being technically like pangit. Pero nandoon kasi lahat ng songs ko. And I just want to say na sobrang helpful niya, lalo na like in my work. But, so when I teach, Spotify, anong song mo? 1, 2, 3, score mo, 7. Gets ba? And it's been, I don't know, ilang years na ako here. Yun lang naman ang backstory ko kay Spotify. Yeah. 5, 6, 7, go. Ay, syempre. Ay! Tatanggalan natin sound. Or ako na dapat makakarinig. Okay, it's playing. Hi, Gab Campos. Oh, ano na? It's that time of year again. Wrapped's ready. Are you? Yes! Okay. Yung mga tumutugtog na sounds, bench. I remember. Oh, sige. Nasa top 5 ko, for sure. Pink Pantheress, Remy Wolf, Steve, still Woozy. Ooh, which projects ba? Big Ideas, Juno, If This Isn't Nice, I don't know what is. Yung dalawa ni Pink Pantheress, yung isa, basta yung debut album niya at saka yung isa rin, bakit hindi ko alam yung titles? Also, I'm ano kasi like, pag nag-discover ako ng artist, I'm more of discover ko with one song and then listen to the whole project after. I'm like a whole project listener type beats. Okay? So, sure ko lang. Life moves fast. Luckily we took notes. Okay. Started. You listen to 27,000 minutes this year. Okay. This puts you in the top 13% of listeners worldwide. Ang elite ko naman nun. Wow. Imagine mo nakuha mo like top 1%, no? Hindi ka man Burgis, pero you're like top 1% sa Spotify. Go. Your biggest listening day was June 27. What happened June 27? Wala. Check ko sa calendar ko. What happened on June 27? June 27? Oh! What happened? Anong pinakinggan ko here? During June 27 was TDR for ano, Groove Nation, Groove ng GC Studios. And also may rehearsals kami nun ng HHI at ng Hoopip. What happened? Okay. Wala, umulit ulit. Life moves fast. Luckily, we took notes. Okay. Ayan, umulit na naman siya. 27,000 minutes this year. Okay. Top 13%. Okay. Biggest listening day was June 27. Ano kaya talagang pinakinggan ko nun? Anong ganap ko this day? He? Okay, next story. You played 980 songs, 980 sings, and one song again and again and again and again. What is that one song? What? This, it's Imahe. Your top song was Imahe by Kyle Ox? Kyle Ox? And EJ? Yeah, kasi actually, nung na-discover ko to through TikTok, parang the vibes is so real. Bing, tunog siyang Tomas Morato 11 a.m. 11 p.m. And the vibes is just immaculate, B. You need to listen to this. This is Imahe by Kyle Ox. Kyle Ox and EJ. At yung verse ni EJ. And the melodies na ni Kyle. Wow, hindi ko ina-expect to kasi I'm not really a big like Pinoy rap type guy. Sobrang bulok ko doon. Napapa-OPM na tayo this year. Like, solid ako doon. Medyo nakukuha ko ng groove with OPM. Pero like, Pinoy rap, not yet there. Wala pa tayo masyado. Okay, let's continue. Tignan naman ba? You were in the top 0.005 of listeners globally. Sa akin lahat galang ata ang streams nyo, guys. Totoo ba to? Wait, yun ba meaning nun? Kasi 0.005 eh. Oo, kasi like that's less than 1%. You streamed it 129 times starting April 13. This song is so good. As in, this song is so good. Next story. Okay. Sige, i-mute ko nang para hindi ko marinig yung sound. May competition daw. There is a leaderboard. Hoy. Okay. Oh! Top songs. Ready ka na sa top songs. One is Imahe talaga. What? Two is Static by Steve Lacy? Huh. Pero like, mas recent ko nakilala daw. Nalaman yung album na yun daw. Hindi, pinapakinggan ko na yun May. Early this year. Okay. Number 3, Caroline Polachek. Yes. So Hot You're Hurting My Feelings. A Bop. Alam natin. All Your Lies, Lil Woozy. And Cast. Cast Chalipopi. I think nakarating yan dyan dahil ini-stream ko siya at nagko-choreo ako using like Spotify. Kaya nakarating siya dyan. Okay. Pero give natin sa kanila. Top song Imahe talaga. What? So kung nakikita to ni Kyle Ox at saka ni EJ, ako po. That was me. You're the best. Unfortunately, yung palang alam kong kanta nyo. You've changed and so has your listening. Okay, let's look at 2024 music evolution. Wow, may ganito na. December what? Ay, sorry. Yeah, di pa January. Ano meron sa January, guys? January was your lovecore duduk bedroom pop phase. January? You were into what is duduk? Duduk bedroom pop. Lovecore duduk. You were really into artists like Pink Pantheress, The Woozy, and Rex Orange County. Okay. Kilala nyo nga ako, guys. Go. What about February? Kay Feb. Ay, green, guys. Ano to? Was your reminiscing Koto Pinoy indie season? What is that? Okay, you were all about artists like Tony J. Why is Tony J nasa top artist ko rin for sure? Siguro yung piling song sila. Pero like a big Tony J fan. I love Tony J. Okay. Mars Mango Muni Muni. Muni Muni for bawat pyesa yung original version. Kasi mas una ko nalaman yung secret version. Mars Mango siguro, Nasaan ka o Luna? I think that's it. Yun. Okay. September was your Pink Pilates Princess Hollywood Afrobeats moment. Huh? Big artists like Tyla, Ira Star, and DJ Neptune. Okay. Give ko yun. You listen to 600 hanggang dun lang yung months ko. Listen to 617 artists, but one had a special place in your heart and ears. Pink Panthers. This is my Pink Panthers year. 2024 is my Pink Panthers year. Wow. Ano sabi niya? You're a you're a top 0.1% fan and you spent 1647 minutes together. Pink, Miss Pink, ako po to. I love you so much. Siguro from like sa region lang namin, like sa Pilipinas. Can I say na I'm a Pink Panthers fan na? Can I say na I am the leader of the pack? I am a Pink Panthers guy. Ako na 'yon. Ako na ang representatibo natin. Okay? Yes. Kahit hindi ko maalala yung title na parehas ng project mo. Heaven knows yung sophomore album niya. Yung una, nakalimutan ko yung title. Okay. Who else got a lot of play this year? Sino yan? Guessing Remy Wolf, Tony J, Pink Panthers, Still Woozy, and one artist. Pink, Still Woozy, Tony J, Doja Cat, and Remy Wolf. Tama! Tama ko. Tama ko. Tama ko, guys. Tony J, Pink Panthers, kasi like big year ko talaga to for her. This year ko siya na-discover. Then parang from noon, Pain lang alam ko eh. Tsaka Passion eh. That's it. And then boom, to me that first album was No Skips. Kaya kong kantahin yung lahat ng songs na yon. Pero ano muna yung title ng album na yun? I'm not sure. Pero yung dark yun. Okay. 2, Still Woozy. If this isn't nice, I don't know what is. Is a no skip for me. Alam ko rin all the songs. I can sing along to every single one. Ngayon ang pinakikinggan ko na Love Seat. Which is hindi ko vibes, hindi siya, may skips akong konti. Baka kailangan ko pa ng konting time with it, with the project. Pero, I love Sawuzi. Ang song ko right now, like my song right now from Sawuzi is Forwards from Love Seat. Okay. Hindi masyado shot put, pero shot put is cute. Naalala ko lang lagi yung she's barely 5 foot. She hit like a shot put. Tama ba? Pero that's cute. Tony J, bawat ngiti. Tama ba? Bawat luha. Tama pala yung lyrics. 7-Eleven, of course, parang Magic. Bagong Tradisyon is my yearning song. Other than Still Woozy, Bagong Tradisyon. Gets ba? Doja Cat, Scarlet. I'm a Scarlet guy. Hindi really like I know like Planet Her. Yeah, and Hot Pink were like the shit, pero I love dito ako nakinig. Sa Scarlet ako talaga like nakinig. Gets? And Remy Wolf, Juno Deluxe. What else? Ano yung isang album niya ngayon? Big Ideas is an album na ini-stream ko right now. And alam mo next year, alam ko nandito, Clairo Charm is a no skip. I need more time pa para mas malalaman ko yung niya, mas makilala ko siya ng buo. Pero so far, everything I can play. Clairo Charm, Grammy nominated. And baka Grammy winning na right now. I just wanna, meron lang ako konting rant, hindi rant, pero may konting konting, hello? May konting observation lang ako kay Still Woozy, why I really like may Still Woozy-isms ako na laging binabalik-balikan. Like, those melodies niya kasi talaga na lagi na parang puppy eye, ang tawag ko sa kanya is parang puppy eyes, teary-eyed puppy eye melodies niya. Na mga mga yung mga you mi pinapa-yearn mo ko, Nay. Stop na. Ano pa yun dun sa ano, Houston? Basta you need to listen to Still Woozy. Sobrang OA nung I really like his melodies. I'm not sorry. I li mga mga may mga bababa niya na gano'n. What? And nai-inlove lang ako every time. I want to be I want to experience love like how Still Woozy writes his music. I want to feel in love like how Still Woozy loves. And be as horny as Remy Wolf. Next. Oh, looks like we have company. Spotify Inc. Eme. Ate Pink. Ate Pink. Si Ate Pink. Si Ate Pink. Guys. Ay, hindi mamamute. Hindi mamamute. Guys, pakinggan natin yung message ni Ate Pink. Ate Pink.
Cubs and my top listeners on Spotify. Thank you for having me as your top listened to artist on Spotify.
I
We're
love
featuring
you.
in each other's lives forever for the foreseeable future, platonically. Even filming this, it's
I
so
love you. When I do shows, hindi ako nag-shows. Pag nag-guesting, kunwari sa team namin, kunwari pag-hostin kami ni JM Papa, bang, I be like Pink Panther SB. Be in a show, at dala ko yung purse ko, nakamay ko ganyan, ka-purse ako ganun. That's me. I love you, Ate Pink.
cute. I just want you to be happy. I just want you to go into 2025 feeling good. Little secret for you, I am planning to drop something in the year 2025 too. I know I've been very quiet recently, but that is hopefully something very exciting coming for you. I have undying love for everybody. Thank you so much for letting me be in this position. I appreciate you
I
all
love
so
you
much.
too.
Have a great rest of your day.
I love her. I love her music. She's the best. Okay, what's next? Thanks for coming along for the ride. Okay, what else? May isa pang slide eh. Until we meet again. Oh, that's it. Oh my god. That is nice. That is so nice. Top artist, Pink Panther, The Woozy, Tony J, Doja Cat, and Remy Wolf. Top songs, imahe talaga yun. Grabe ko ba siya in-stream nung na-discover ko siya sa Shake Show? So Hot, You're Hurting My Feelings, All Your Life cast. Pero wala akong pinaulit-ulit na ano no, na like na Pink Panthers song. That's it. Wait lang. Pwede ka ba siyang i-ano? That's it. That's my Spotify rap. 27,000 minutes listened, top artist, Pink Panthers. Kamusta ang Spotify rap mo? Grabe, ang tagal nitong lumabas. Dapat lumabas na to like bandang like December 1. Bakit natagalan tayo? Spotify Philippines, I need an explanation. Okay? Thank you for the year na kasama kita at napakinggan ko sa mga artists na to. Thank you for keeping me company. And having like the soundtrack lang sa life ko. Yep. I love you. Ay, akala ko na lowbat na. Kamusta Spotify rap mo? Sino ang top artist mo? At what's your song of the year? Ano yung song mo? Whew. I guess imahe nga ang 2020 song ka ng 2024. Okay. That's it. Thank you so much. And Pink Panthers. Kasi noon parang ano lang ako yun, parang sino ba itong Pink Panthers na to? Parang ang cool niya naman, pero ina-eye ko lang siya ganyan na parang lulubog ba ako sa kanya? And there you go. You spend a whole year with a bitch. I love you, Ate Pink. And Tony J. And Still Woozy and Remy Wolf. And Doja Cat. Sige. Bye-bye. Love you. Good morning.